You can ditch the fancy collagen supplements and still get glowing skin and a happier gut. Let me explain. I'm talking about the gelatin trick, a simple daily ritual that's been flying under the radar. Researchers have been comparing collagen and gelatin for a while now, and the verdict is in. Gelatin wins when it comes to actual benefits. The thing is, people get confused between collagen and gelatin, but they're not exactly the same thing. Gelatin is what you get when you break down collagen, and that's where the magic happens. When you use the gelatin trick, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to repair and rejuvenate itself. My friend started doing the gelatin trick a few months ago, and the change in her skin and energy levels is noticeable. She wakes up feeling refreshed, without that heavy, bloated feeling that used to weigh her down. If you're curious about how to get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description for a beginner's guide. I've also got a pinned comment below with some tips and tricks from people who are already seeing results from the gelatin trick. Head on over and start your journey to a healthier, happier you with the gelatin trick.